Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can free up your space on iPhone. So for that, go to settings. From here, go to general and then iPhone storage. From here, you have to free up your space by deleting an unused app. So I'm going to uninstall this one. So you have to tap delete app. This is how you can delete your app, but if you tap offload app, your app will be uninstalled. So like this, if you tap offload app, your app will be uninstalled, but you can reinstall it anytime you want. So yeah, this is how you can free up your space by uninstalling or deleting an app. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.